Hi, welcome to another new video, and today's our topic is how to publish Wix website. So as you can see, we are on the dashboard panel, and if you don't know that Wix is the free platform where we can create our website for our users. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you can see we are on the setup option, and in here you can see we have a edit site option in the right corner of the top side. You need to be click on here. Once you click on the here, they will redirect you to the editor page, and the interface will be like this. And you can see we are on the edit page. Here we can edit anything we want, like we have the full access to edit. So we need to be working on here in the right corner on the top side. You can see we have 4 buttons. One of is upgrade, one of is save, one of is preview, and the last one is publish. So we need to be click on here in the publish button to publish our Wix website. So hit on the publish button and you will see the result that our website has been published. Have a look that we already get a notification here that is congratulations, your site is published and live now. So anyone who are going to visit our website, they can easily see our web page. If you find out this video is helpful for you, just hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. I will catch you in the next video.